It is about 85 degrees outside and it is very, very humid right now. So I'm going for that pin straight blowout look. If you want to achieve this look right here, super pin straight hair that's going to last you days, you need to try this routine out. So to start this routine, I'm gonna use this Redken leave-in treatment. This is the ACB, that's what they call it, the acidic bonding concentrate. Okay, so I'm gonna use about this much and we're just gonna apply it everywhere. This is gonna keep your hair nice and healthy. I love doing a nice little treatment like this when I put heat on my hair. So yeah, applying this mainly everywhere. And if you didn't think you can get a good frizz-free product from the drugstore, you're wrong, because these two products are from the drugstore and they are amazing. Amazing for controlling frizz. And I love the Color Wow Dream Coat. You guys know it is so good, but these two are really good dupes, okay? By the way, speaking of TikTok, if you're not following me on there, you need to follow me like right now so that you don't miss out on a huge giveaway that I'm gonna be doing. So I really wanted to mention it here on YouTube so that you guys can have a chance to go ahead and check out these videos. I actually cleaned out these drawers right here with hair tools, and I'm just gonna be putting away some of the hair tools that I don't use that much somewhere else. I'm gonna be giving away some of them as well. Some of them are actually like new. As you can see, there's so much. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll be putting videos up here as well. So if you're not following me on TikTok and Instagram, you have to follow me. My TikTok is Jalissa_Gillen. So yeah, definitely check it out. I'm gonna divide my hair right down the middle, and then I'm just gonna divide my hair into about 4 sections. I wonder if you guys can guess which hair tool I'm gonna use today to get a pin straight look. And if you haven't guessed it by now, it is a Dyson AirStraight, of course. So yeah, and it's probably the hair tool from Dyson that I use the most. Okay, so I'm gonna be using one of these. I'm trying to think which one to use. They're both like almost the same and they're so good. But I'm just gonna use this one today, the Frieda Smooth Operator Blowout Spray. So if you are looking for a good blowout spray, these two from the drugstore are amazing. But either one that you get, you're gonna love. And they're super affordable. So with this product, you apply it section per section right before adding heat to your hair. I'm gonna pull the roots a little bit, just like that with the little round brush. Turn this on. And I'm using this on the wet hair mode. You can see wet hair. Press the plates and dry the roots. By the way, if you place the hair tool down like this, it kind of like pauses for a little bit. It makes no noise, which is what I love. And yeah, it's just like super chill. I just love this hair tool. Like for real, this is like one of my favorite Dyson hair tools. So then you just take the hair tool, press the plate down like this. And to this line, always have to be down. And you will see that with one pass, no cuts, nothing, you're able to get literally straight hair. Like, that's crazy. It's crazy. Let's do another pass. Pin straight hair. Love it. So I'm basically just gonna do that to all my hair. I'm gonna take a small section, spray the prepping spray, and then I'll just dry it with the Dyson. And I'll show you guys what my hair looks like at the end after just using the Dyson. But I will be doing another step, so stay tuned. But if you want pin straight hair all summer long, you need to do this routine. Like, this routine is so good and it really does work for humidity. I'm gonna dry all my hair with the Dyson AirStraight and I'll be back with the next step. But as you can see, the Dyson AirStraight does an amazing job at smoothing out my hair straight from wet hair, which is crazy because you would think that a hair tool like this could only work on dry hair. But this is intended to be used on wet hair. It is gonna give you literally the sleekest, straightest blowout of your life. And of course, this is not sponsored. I really wish it was because I use this hair tool so freaking much. I really use it so much and it is worth the money. I know it's a little expensive. I think it's like $500, but it is worth the money, I'm telling you. So if you have thought about getting the Dyson AirStraight, I think it is worth it. And yeah, I would totally get it if you really like, you know, pin straight hair. Another thing that you can use this for is just to blow out your hair, and then if you want a little bit of volume, you could use a heated round brush or something else just to shape your hair a little bit more. But I'm honestly going for that super straight hair because it is just so humid outside, it's so hot. And this is the hairstyle that will last me the longest when it's very humid outside. So I'll use the Dyson AirStraight, and then I'll probably use a straightener. And this hairstyle will last me a couple days. All right, guys, I am all done just drying my hair with the Dyson AirStraight. I mean, my hair looks so straight. It literally looks like if I used a straightener. This hair tool always surprises me. It's crazy. It's like a monster. I just really like it. It's so straight that I don't even think I need a straightener, but my hair will get frizzy because it's super humid outside, it's hot, and my hair is very curly. So yeah, I definitely need to lock in the style. So I'm gonna be using the GHD Chronos Max today. Really love the straightener. It is so good, and I love that the plates are a little bit wider. So I believe this is a 2-inch plate. You're able to grab huge sections with this, but you still get a very sleek, straight look. And it also controls the heat setting, which is big for me because sometimes I will overdo it and add a lot of heat to my hair, and we don't want that. So this stays at 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for me. And it really is the only heat setting that you need. I mean, for any hair type, I feel like this is the perfect heat setting. And I love that this gives me so much shine. So I'm just gonna turn it on. I am gonna divide my hair, I guess, like kind of like right in the middle. So I'm gonna do the bottom sections, and then we'll move on to the top sections. And I love that this hair tool warms up so quickly in literally like 10 seconds. It's probably gonna beep any second now. And there you go. It literally warms up so quickly. So really like that as well. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of heat protectant. I'm gonna use the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is a staple in my routine. I have been using this spray for years now. Like, it's so good. I like using this on dry hair right before I use a straightener or a curling iron or like a heated tool. I like to describe it kind of like dry shampoo and hairspray, kind of like hairspray, but not sticky. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like super dry. One thing about this spray though is that try to not inhale it or try to not talk when you're spraying it because it will make you cough. Okay, so I'm using the straightener, and this is super easy. You just literally straighten your hair. I like to use a comb just to kind of guide the hair, and at the end I like to flip it a little bit. I'll do about 2 passes, and I definitely always flip the ends a little bit. As you can see, it looks better already. And I like to use a straightener mainly for the roots because sometimes it's a little hard to get my roots straight, even though the Dyson did an amazing job at leaving my hair super smooth. But this really gets in there, the GHD, the straightener, and it really does make everything just a lot more straight. You're able to really smooth out the little kinks at the roots, which is a little challenging sometimes for me, but a straightener always gets the job done. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, look at that shine. Love it. Now we're gonna do the top section. Again, I'm gonna spray some more of this. I added a little bit of this Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil to my hair. I just always like to finish my routine with an oil. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I think my hair looks so straight, and I know that this blowout is gonna last me a couple days. I've done this blowout before and I really like it. It always works for me. So hopefully this video was very helpful, and if you needed a blowout routine for the humidity, you definitely need to try this. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll tag all the products and tools right here through YouTube Shopping. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I'm telling you, I'm doing like this huge giveaway. I'm cleaning out, you know, all my hair tools. I'm gonna be giving away some new hair tools and maybe some almost new hair tools, like some used hair tools. If you guys don't mind. I know a lot of people have reached out saying that they don't mind taking one of my used hair tools. So of course I will clean, sanitize, and you know, clean everything super well. Make sure that it is super clean with alcohol and everything. But yeah, I just don't want to like have all these hair tools here, and I feel like some of you guys could be using them, and you know. But yeah, I hope that I'm able to send some of these hair tools to you guys. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.